Hey guys, this is Arlington from OverlookGraphics.com. Since I have so many requests on how to install the Oklahoma flag and many other flags, I went ahead and did our first YouTube video on how to install the Oklahoma flag and what materials we use and what's the best methods. So the material in this video is 3M 1080 wrap vinyl, and the method we use is dry install. We didn't really wet the window. We did clean it, but we didn't use a wet method at all. It was just peel backing paper off and we stuck it onto the window. With this material, it's much better than the Oracle 651 that we also offer because it's air release technology in it, so it makes it much easier to apply and to move the vinyl around once it's applied to the window.
See, I tried to cut it to then put it against, and then I couldn't. I didn't even think to do it that way, and I just cut around.
Well, I think the one you had before was a Oracle 651, like the brand, the vinyl.
Yeah.
This is 3M, so this one's actually easier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we just recently switched over brands. Yeah.
Yeah, I brought the other one for the passenger side. Yeah, how do you get those bubbles out?
So this vinyl is pretty neat. It's air release, so it's not like the 651. If you have the vinyl on there for a certain amount of time, especially if it's hot, you know how it starts to I don't know how to describe it, crease. Yeah. So this one actually works with you and it stretches, so you can get those bubbles out.
Huh. Yeah.
It's more stretchable too. Yeah.
The flags we offer are overlaid on the windows, so there are trimming required. With this one, there is a minor trim just around the edges of the window, and then just you can tuck it in, or you can either leave it like that, which is my method. I like to tuck it in, and I'm going to show you the before and after photo of what it looks like in the process.